Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about fruit vinegars. In this case, we're referring to vinegars that were made from fruits in addition to apples. We're all familiar with apple cider vinegar, so that's one of them. Vinegars can be made with all kinds of fruits, including, besides apples, apricots and grapes, pineapples, pomegranates, passion fruit, raisins even, peaches, blackberries, blueberries, figs, pears, cranberries, lemons, mangoes, oranges, plums, tomatoes, and even more. Fruit vinegars can be purchased online and in some grocery stores, but perhaps not overly commonly found in grocery stores. They can also be made at home. Okay, so I do have some links below in the description box to a few sites that give instructions on how to make some fruit vinegars at home if you want to try that. I have no connection with any of these sites. Best uses for fruit vinegars: they would add a sweet tart flavor to just about any food that they're served with, and they pair well with extra virgin olive oil, and they have been used to flavor pork and turkey and chicken and even fish, and they add fruitiness to green salads, vegetables, and can be used for dips and in dips with fruit and cheese trays as well. They are also good in marinades and can add a sweet tart flavor in them as well. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.